They built the towers, they lit the streets, they made the neon glow. They promised endless daylight where the sun would never go. But shadows still are creeping, the air feels cold and thin. 100 bulbs can never match the fire that burns within. Although the sun still shines through the clouds, feeds the trees, warms the earth, lifts the sea, brings the fruit, feeds the bees. No wires hum, no switch can spark what's written in the sky. Oh, the sun still shines, and it won't say goodbye. The morning breaks in golden hues, it wakes the fields in grace. But people sit in windowless rooms with blue light on their face. They trade the dawn for flashing screens, forget the feel of day. But tell me, friend, have you ever seen a lamp green May? Oh, the sun still shines through the clouds, for the trees, warms the earth, lifts the seed, brings the fruit, feeds the bees. No wires hum, no switch can stop what's written in the sky. Oh, the sun still shines and it don't say goodbye. No bulb can paint the sky at dusk or melt the winter's frost. No circuit holds the fire that man once really lost. Oh, the sun still shines, feed the clouds through the trees, warms the earth, lifts the sea, brings the fruit, feeds the bees. No wires hum, no switch can spark what's written in the sky. Oh, the sun still shines, it won't say goodbye. So step outside and let it burn, let it kiss your skin. Feel the light that's heaven sent, the one that dwells within.